What's up guys and welcome to a video of football cards. I did start this video by opening the packs, but I've not saw anybody, don't worry. I've not saw anybody in this pack, so yeah. I thought I already had started the video, hopefully it's starting now. I already started the video and when I opened them up, the bad thing is I didn't record it really because I only made up, but I was only opening up the two packs, wasn't looking at them. So yes, so I'm gonna have to just do it like this. Okay. Right. Let's just start it. Yeah, enough yapping and yapping. Hello, Kitty. Okay. Well, this is something for my friend Caden. That is my cat. Okay. Look. Yeah, that is my cat. If you see, proof. I'm not in my house. I'm in my grand's. I'm not going to tell you that. So the first one is Shane Long Pro 11, and I'm not going to show you that for obvious reasons. My second one is I've already got him. It's a forward Sergio Aguero. Yeah, I've already got him, so yeah, I can give him away for free. My next one is Ryan Shawcross, man of the match. Moving on to a Man United player, which is Luke Shaw. Yeah. You can pause the video while the cards are finished up. Oh, next one is a Leicester player, which is Andy King. Next one is, I can't pronounce his first name, Dejan Lovren, Liverpool. Hopefully I have somebody from the Gunners, Arsenal. Nacer Chadli, West Bromwich Albion. Stuart Downing, Pro 11. I'm not going to show you that for obvious reasons again. Next one is Connor Whitcomb. Oh, these are alternate rounds. I think, well, the next one isn't, I don't even know who that is. And the next one is, what was this? Connor Whitman. For Crystal Palace. And a Bournemouth defender, which is tough tackler Charlie Daniels. I've got him. I packed them today, earlier on. Oh, these are two packs, so yeah. I didn't make another video. Hello. Oh, don't look around doing a video right now, okay. So another Bournemouth player, which is Simon Francis, captain. I've got him. Next one is West Bromwich Albion. They've actually been doing good, really well. Craig Dawson, man of the match. And yes, I will be doing going to be showing my book. Next one is a Swansea player. Oh, sorry, I got that. My nose is itchy. It is Sigurdsson, I don't even know. Next one is Ahmed El Mohammadi, Hull City. Another one is Swansea City, Jack Cock. For Everton, another at Everton forward striker is Gerard Deulofeu. Liverpool player is Jorginho Wijnaldum. And moving on to the icons and one player. Right, moving on to the icons. Only 2 icons really. And I got 3 icons, I think. So this is an all-rounder icon, and it is Dele Alli for Tottenham. And moving on to a Leicester player, midfielder, and it is Nampalys Mendy. And moving on to another icon, which is a playmaker, Cesc Fabregas, which isn't quite good because it's 78 attack, which isn't really it's not really that good, so yeah. Oh well, at least it's 70, it's better than me at least. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Say bye, Kay. Okay, say bye. Look. Look. Say bye. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, guys.